And new here tonight, the spotlight now squarely on lawmakers in Tallahassee who are now considering a new bill aimed at reducing jail time for first-time drug offenders. Our Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders in Tallahassee tonight.
Too many are locked up in Florida prisons due to mandatory minimum sentences for small-time drug offenses. That's what Greg Newbern with Families Against Mandatory Minimum says, fighting for change.
They go to prison for 15 years or 25 years because the judge has no discretion.
Thursday, a small win.
The bill is reported favorably.
Senate Bill 346, aiming to give judges more discretion in some drug possession crimes, clearing its final committee hurdle.
Probably the most significant step forward that we've seen on drug sentencing.
If approved, guilty first-timers with less than 2 grams of most narcotics, excluding fentanyl, won't have to serve more than a year in jail. It's conditional, no gun crimes or felony violence, but at a time when the state's prisons are being scrutinized for high cost, it could save about $50 million, reducing inmates by more than 4,000.
I was honored that they all supported it.
Sponsor Senator Rob Bradley says having a third committee's unanimous support will help propel the bill now headed to all of his colleagues.
I think it sends a strong message that we would like to see more criminal justice reform.
The measure does have opponents. Florida sheriffs, prosecutors, and police associations are against it.
Will create loopholes where many drug traffickers could potentially avoid any prison sentence at all.
They vow to continue the fight as the legislation advances. Newbern, however, taking a brief victory lap.
Happy to see the Senate moving in the right direction.
In Tallahassee, Forrest Saunders, ABC Action News.